India, a land of contrasts. Rich traditions, vibrant cultures, and a rapidly evolving lifestyle. But amidst the progress lies a growing shadow. A health crisis that doesn't discriminate, creeping into urban cities and rural villages alike: obesity. Once considered a problem of affluent nations, obesity is now an epidemic in India. Over the past 2 decades, our lifestyles have transformed. Screen time has replaced playtime, and traditional diets have given way to processed convenience foods. And the result? 1 in every 4 Indians is now considered overweight or obese, according to official data from the National Family Health Survey 5. In the land of yoga and Ayurveda, where wellness was once woven into the fabric of daily life, a silent epidemic is unfolding. Obesity is transforming our cities, towns, and even our villages. And it's not just the waistlines that are expanding, the health consequences are too. Welcome to our 2-part documentary on India's silent epidemic, obesity. In part 1 of our series, we try to uncover how we got here and the key root causes of this crisis. Meet Devesh, a 32-year-old man who carries not just 115 kilograms of weight but also years of pain, rejection, and silent battles. From a young age, food became his comfort, his escape. By 14, he was already clinically obese, fast food and ultra-processed meals his constant companions, and physical activity a distant memory. Now, at 32, Devesh faces the harsh realities of obesity, joint pain, difficulty breathing, and an increased risk of life-threatening conditions. But the most painful weight he carries is the one on his spirit, the fear that he might never truly live. That's when he made a life-changing decision: bariatric surgery. Devesh is not alone. His journey is the story of millions across India, where obesity is silently becoming one of the most pressing health crises of our time. Imagine this: in 1990, obesity was a rare issue in India. Fast forward to 2022, and a staggering 70 million adults are living with obesity. According to a groundbreaking study published in The Lancet, this silent epidemic is transforming the nation's health landscape. The numbers are alarming. In 2022, 44 million women and 26 million men in India were obese, nearly doubling the global disparity. For children, the crisis is no less severe. 5.2 million girls and 7.3 million boys were categorized as obese, signaling a worrying trend for the future. Globally, over a billion people were living with obesity in 2022. India, once grappling with widespread undernutrition, now finds obesity overtaking underweight as the dominant malnutrition form. For adults, the underweight rate has plummeted from over 40% in 1990 to just above 12% in 2022. This shift is part of a double burden of disease. Obesity prevention must go hand in hand with addressing undernutrition. Today, India stands at a crossroads. Obesity is not just a personal battle, it's a public health crisis. It's a reflection of a deeper, more complex issue. This is no longer just an urban problem. Rural India, too, is feeling the weight of this crisis. A key reason is the historical shift from tradition to modernity. Once, the Indian diet was a celebration of health: grains like jowar, bajra, and ragi, fresh vegetables, and wholesome home-cooked meals. But as cities grew and lifestyles changed, these traditions began to fade. Today, fast food and processed snacks dominate our plates, packed with sugar, bad fats, and empty calories. Another key driver is urbanization and sedentary lifestyles. With rapid change came modern conveniences and a sedentary lifestyle. Long working hours, reliance on cars, and reduced access to open spaces have left millions of Indians inactive. For children, screen time has replaced playgrounds and junk food has replaced balanced meals. Processed food industries have played a pivotal role in reshaping India's eating habits. Packed with preservatives, unhealthy fats, and excessive sugar, these products are marketed as quick, convenient, and desirable. But they come at a cost: a growing epidemic of central obesity, or abdominal fat, the most dangerous form of fat distribution. The pandemic worsened the problem. Lockdowns kept us indoors, gyms closed, and access to fresh, healthy food became limited. Instead, panic buying and stockpiling of processed items led to unhealthy eating habits and weight gain. Physical activity has long been a part of Indian culture, from yoga to outdoor games like kabaddi and cricket. But as urban lifestyles evolve, a social shift is taking place. In many communities, particularly among urban youth and women, physical activity is not seen as a priority or is even stigmatized. For women, cultural barriers often discourage outdoor exercise, while for youth, academic pressures have replaced active play with endless hours of study or screen time. Lack of access to nutritional education is another key root cause. In a country with a rich history of traditional wellness, it's ironic that millions remain unaware of what constitutes a healthy diet. Urban parents, juggling fast-paced lives, often rely on convenience foods without understanding their long-term health impacts. In rural areas, misconceptions about nutrition and lack of access to balanced diets add to the problem. Without widespread nutritional education, most Indians remain ill-equipped to make informed dietary choices, leaving the door open for processed and unhealthy foods to dominate their meals. Aggressive food advertising and marketing is an underappreciated cause. Walk through any urban street in India, and you're likely to see flashy ads for chips, sugary drinks, or instant noodles. The food advertising industry in India is unregulated compared to Europe, where stricter guidelines limit the promotion of unhealthy foods, especially to children. In India, companies target children and families with emotional messaging and endorsements by celebrities, creating an aspirational appeal for unhealthy options. This relentless marketing influences consumption patterns and fosters a preference for processed and sugary foods over healthier traditional alternatives. Eating out was once a luxury reserved for special occasion. Today, with the advent of food delivery apps and the rise of fast food chains, eating out, or ordering in, has become a way of life. These meals are often high in calories, trans fats, and sodium, contributing to the obesity epidemic. For many young professionals and urban families, convenience often outweighs nutrition. The explosion of food delivery apps has normalized frequent consumption of unhealthy meals, eroding the practice of home-cooked, balanced diets. In India, food is love, and love is often served in extra-large portions. Generous servings are a cultural norm, but with increasingly calorie-dense modern diets, these large portions contribute significantly to overeating. Add to this the rise of distracted eating, whether during TV time, scrolling through social media, or working on a laptop, and the issue is compounded. Mindless eating means people are consuming far more than their bodies need, adding to the waistline without realizing it. This is where we stand, a nation caught between its roots and rapid modernization. But understanding the roots of obesity is the first step. The solutions? They're out there, waiting to be explored. Together, we can take the next step toward reclaiming our health and heritage.